If you're changing out your seeds a lot on your planter, you might understand the challenges of having to do that. It's oftentimes difficult, you lose seeds, or the planter's not designed very well to be able to change the seeds out. The Wizard planter does a great job and is a great system for us to easily be able to pull out both the large seeds and the small seeds. So I'm going to first show you how that works on both of these operations. They have a little system that you can attach to the vacuum part of your planter. It goes into this canister that will collect the seeds, and then on the other end I have a little wand that you can dip into the actual unit itself. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do it here so you can see a little better. I have some lettuce seed, and we're going to turn the fan on, and there we go. So just pulling those seeds out. If you can imagine that being in the hopper there, we have now saved a lot of valuable seed. It is in a place that we can now do something with. I'm going to open up my canister now. And voila, I have the seeds in the canister ready to go, drop back in my seed bag, and we're good to go there. Okay? You can see the inside, they have a little bit of a screen keeping the seed from going back through the whole vacuum system. Okay? So that's the small seed clean out. Now we're going to turn back over here again. I'm going to put this aside. I have some red beans actually in there currently. And we're going to use their, Dustin, can I have you help me here? Yep. If you can imagine, this is on the ground, a little bucket. And they have for the large seed clean out, this little system here allows us to open it up and get those seeds out. So still a little bit down there that we can get as we open up the top. I'm not going to pull them out right now, but you can see it's pretty convenient and seamless to have that little chute there off the side. Okay? Pop that back, we're good to go. So as you can see with the Wizard planter, the seed clean out process is not only easy and convenient, but it allows you to save the most amount of your seeds, which we know is a valuable asset on your farm. So check out the Wizard planter here at Tilmor.com. You can find more information. Have a great day.